Here I have SOYES S10 Mini, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So firstly, you have to open your phone, then tap here, go to its settings, then go to the sounds and vibration, phone ringtone, and here you can select your ringtone. You can select one of the pre-installed ringtones here, or you can just you have to select one of the pre-installed ringtones. So let's listen to some of them. I guess I'll just go with this one. And that's how you change ringtone. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.